What's up, people? We're dismantling the Prelude finally. It's a Jeep! And yeah, so we gotta fix the audio cables on this door. And right now, we're taking this trunk off so we can put this trunk on. And we're gonna put the doors on, and then hopefully get this fixed. That's the other quarter panel over there. We update later. It's a Jeep.
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 It's a Jeep. It's a Jeep. Alright, so I'm currently trying to get this off. This little clip. There's a little clip off on the back and I took it off. But I can't get this out. And I think it's just rusted to it. Because there's a lot of things that were rusted on this.
Don't save that. You don't want to be saved.
The problem is when I go over to this one on this trunk, it doesn't want to come off either. But also, I still have the clip on, so I'm not really sure. Alright, so I ended up getting this off with a screwdriver, but I still got to get this out so we can swap the trunks and put the spoiler on. Actually, no, I'll probably leave this. Well, no, I have to put it on.
No, you better put it on.
Yeah, because there's holes in that trunk.
Yeah.
Also, this is why my car's been slow recently. It's because there's two headers back here. There's a 3 intake manifolds. Below all that is there's a head. Feed my sound system, my little jank system.
Jank. With
Jank.
a Q in it, with a Q instead of a K.
Yep.
Jank.
Jank. Okay, we're gonna go on lunch break. So here's what it looks like.
To be continued.
Here's the total mess. Also, you know I got that JDM shit. Yeah. Lunch break. Lunch break. All right, we're back from the lunch break.
I'm full of shit, bro.
Okay, good to know. So we had to put everything in the garage so that nobody stole anything.
No one stole anything, so I'm whooping their ass.
On God.
That light's tweaking.
Come on.
Do it again. I bet you won't.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Fuck you.
I don't think the light wants to do that to you.
What if I want to do it to the light?
Hey, yo.
So we found this in this door. Unfortunately, a lot of the audio cable is kind of messed up. So we're going to have to solder it.
So we're going to assume that a rat had a little bit of a fun time in there and, yeah, got hungry, I guess.
That's probably what happened. On this door, everything looks okay. But I got to do some other things to this door first because this handle's fucked. I've been trying to take it out,
Non-existent.
but I can't quite get it. Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Like,
That shit gone. And then there's that, but
how do you mess up that badly?
fix it. You
How do
literally.
you fumble the bag that bad?
Actually, no. It's common for Prelude handles to break. I don't know how mine hasn't broken yet. It's cracked.
Damn.
Yep. Bro really said, damn. Yo, I think my door's open. I think my door's open, bro.
1,000%.
Oh, yeah. We're just taking off the trunk. I thought it hadn't been removed before because these are immaculate. Turns out it's just been resprayed.
Hey, now, don't screw up.
You can't tell me what to do.
I just did.
Oh. Okay. Alright, well, we got the trunk off.
It has no trunk no more. It's
Down
right
here.
here.
We ain't got no trunk. We ain't got no trunk.
We ain't got no trunk.
We got no trunk, no
We got
door,
junk in the
no fender.
Trunk?
Yeah, we do have a lot of junk in the trunk.
But there's no trunk.
I don't know. When I took the nasty body panels off, it looks like this is a solid car. And then you walk over to the other side, and it's like
Oh, no.
oh yeah. It looks like that.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Someone really, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to pretend that's not there.
Yep. Totally.
We're going to go back over here. See? It looks good.
Nice and clean. Brand new, right out the factory.
Yeah. Factory paint.
too late.
Think smarter, not harder. I'm using this network cable
Yes.
to pull the trunk through.
Yes. I will be there.
And boom. I'm too good.
Yes, you are.
Too good. All right. We got it mounted finally. You want to open it?
Yes, I will.
All right.
I'm too tall for this.
Yeah, this shit's low. So we got it all working too. So,
yeah.
you know, as y'all know, I routed this one with the network cable. This one, I just shoved it through.
Shove it.
Literally. So.
Ah! Just kidding. Just kidding. I see.
All right.
I got you.
All right. Did a test fit of the spoiler. It's actually pretty decent.
Yeah.
All right, so we were in the process of putting this door back together, and I forgot that this door doesn't lock, which means we got to take it back apart so we can figure out what's wrong with the lock.
Again.
Yep, and this was a pain in the ass to put together.
Agreed.
I think there's some on my camera lens. There we go. Oh yeah, trunk. All right, we are done for tonight. We were gonna mount the door, but turns out the lock is actually broken. In here, which is gonna be a pain to get to, which means I might have to go on this door and take the lock out of it and put it in there.
Genius idea.
But that's also gonna be a pain.
I mean,
So-
yeah, but it'll be worth it because, I mean,
That's
at
true.
least you'll have a lock because we're in the H, bro. Like,
Yeah, this shit gonna get broken into.
Look
Even-
at my car, for example.
Yeah.
But then again, I have a convertible, so that's part of the problem.
Yep.
But that's beside the matter.
I also started sanding a little bit. It's not a whole lot. I was just testing things out, seeing if 80 grit would work, and it's starting to work.
A
So,
little too well.
a little bit. Be happy.
You're welcome.
Fix me. All right.
Deuces.
This is it for part 1. Part 2 coming.
Deuces.
Peace.